90% of you watching right now, growing up as a kid, myself included, dreamed of driving a few different types of vehicles. Monster truck, yeah, NASCAR stock car, given. And for me, there was also like a Pro 2 truck or trophy truck style truck. And that's what we're doing today. I'm lucky enough to be at Robby Gordon Motorsports. I'm gonna climb in behind the wheel of a stadium super truck and give it a whirl. I'm just blessed to have this opportunity, so I gotta bring you guys along for the ride and show you what it's like. Made it. Robby Gordon Motorsports. Yeah, this place is huge. It's like a Walmart with a racetrack on it. This is cool. This shop is incredible. These guys do all their own fab work, build these things ground up. Matt from Demolition Ranch is here today too. He's going to be running that one, I think. And this is going to be my ride. We swapped some seats out, tried a few different things. I'm a bigger guy compared to a lot of these guys that run these, so we got to do some adjustments. Mad Max, that's Robbie's boy. This white truck is Cletus McFarland's. They're getting that ready for Bristol. Such an incredible building. Walked around here for like 2 hours just looking at stuff. Look at this. Got stock cars just lined up there. It's incredible. Matt, you got a clean unit here.
Yeah, you're used to looking at the back of it.
You fit good?
Yeah, I think so.
No adjustments needed?
I don't think so. Yeah, it's good. It's like tight on me, so I don't think you'd make it in here.
No, they're cutting steering columns and moving seats.
They got you the big boy seat over there.
Yeah. This thing's ready to run, man.
It's gonna be good.
I hear something. Oh. Someone's out ripping. These trucks are LS powered. They got a Terpsky 400 behind them. They're about 600 horsepower, but they don't weigh a lot. They're just over 2,000 pounds. But they are tight. I mean, well, for me anyway. Amazing little trucks. They got a track here. Robbie's gonna go grab his pickup. He's gonna run us around the track and kind of give us the do's and don'ts, how to navigate this thing. And we'll jump in and go for a rip.
So this is our back parking lot at the workshop, and what we did is we would go over to Charlotte Motor Speedway and we'd go use the drift track over there or go rent a facility. But by the time we load a car and trailer, started messing around, I hooked up with Maurice Ortega, Sheldon Creed's grandfather. He's like, why don't we just build a track here? So you got plenty of room, let's just build it. So today I'll probably move the parking lot too. We'll make it a little bit bigger and better, but right now we got a single ramp.
Okay.
And the idea here is just to jump the ramp, to get used to hitting the ramps, and then we'll come down through here. But I think I'll open up the parking lot as well. So we'll pull the K-rail out and we'll go down into the donut circle over there, which if you look here, we're coming around here and we'll set up a cone where the glass is in the middle. We'll do a 180 and we'll come back through. It makes it a little more of a better track, and it'll be closer to what you guys need at Bristol because we've got a couple 90-degree bends.
Yes.
So this will give us one down here and another one down here. So if you look, we got curbs on both sides. That's for coming back in this way.
So you're out wide.
Well, you'll normally be left, and there's where like the front tire. See those dots there? That's where the front tire's setting back down.
Okay.
And then we'll come down in here. But now that we'll go, if we do open up the whole thing, we'll come this way. We'll come down in here, and we'll whip a 180 here. Especially with these cars, they are very throttle sensitive. And this is basically where the front tire is setting back down again.
Okay.
So it's 3-wheel into here, and then we rip around here. Basically, to get started, before I put you guys over the K-rail, we'll just go straight in right now and do a 180 around these. We'll set up 3 cones down here.
Okay.
And then once we get there, I just want you guys to get comfortable before we're putting it up against the K-rail.
Yep.
And then basically down here.
Let's hit it. Let's go.
Let's go. My truck will do it one time.
Yeah. All our backs are broken.
So let's see if the little car can race with us. We'll do a drag race with him.
That thing sounds nuts. Might have a little more power. You said it was 300 horse in that thing?
340.
340.
It's ridiculous on slicks.
I can't hear nothing.
Hey, Dad, get him some earplugs.
Thing is insane. 340 horsepower in that. Matt's getting ready to run.
It's like a footprint, but it just adds to the rear. So it gives more rear brake.
When do I need that?
Matt. Here's how high the ramp is, just for reference. Almost up to a guy's hip, give or take. It'll air him out way back there. Well, I'm gonna jump in and give this thing a whirl. Gas, brake. There's a handbrake, and yeah, hillbilly in a stadium super truck. That is completely fine. Gas, brake, handbrake. What's that?
I said, now you have to wash it, but besides that, you're all good.
Yeah, I need to stay out of the grass. I don't want to break the rear.
How badass is it?
Hey,
Dude,
you hit
this
that
is-
puddle.
What did he say? Hit the pedal.
Hey, go
Yes?
look at your right side. It's mud everywhere.
This is addicting.
Cool.
Dude, this
I'm
is
glad you came. Seriously, I'm glad you're here.
amazing. So, I'm understeering, obviously. More foot brake going in, slower in?
No, a little bit more of this. More foot brake and a little bit of that to trail brake in.
Okay.
Have you been playing with that a little bit?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Don't go
Yeah.
give it a big yank. Just increase your brake just a little bit.
Okay.
All right, but you're doing good.
All right, man.
Have fun.
Thank you.
You should have seen the spray of mud all over everywhere when you dropped off the right rear into the water.
Sorry.
That's all good.
I'll run it down to the car wash. Well, I am without the speeches. I can't even explain the feeling driving this thing. Just finished some freestyle, some warm-up laps. It is absolutely intense and so much fun. This thing is just wild. We're gonna go back out, try it again. Now Robby's gonna have Matt and I doing, what did he say, 20 laps twice?
20 lap.
Yeah, we're gonna maybe start keeping time or something. I don't know. We're just,
Oh, now we're racing.
now we're racing. Yeah. He may open up an area over here so we could do some more turning. We'll see what happens. It is miserably hot too, I'm telling you that. Different track setup, you guys will see here in a minute, but basically after the jump, go around the cone, we're gonna go right, and there's a cul-de-sac back there with the cone set up, so I can go in and practice some right turns, sharp left, another right, and then we're back onto this track over here again, coming around the cone. Gonna do 20 laps here, see what we get. Well, a guy did much better that time. A lot more consistent lap times. Almost all of them were within a quarter of a second. I think something like that. Guy had to just settle down a little bit for Pete's sake, you know. Slow in, slow is fast. And man, when I get that truck up on 3 wheels, it's so much better. It feels great, it handles better, and you can drive harder out of the corners. But I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty darn tricky to do that consistently. Next time I'm gonna go different direction around the course. I kind of made that up myself over there in the turnaround area because I wanted to practice my right-handers. Everyone else is just grabbing the brake and hairpinning it and coming out of their left. So I'm gonna do that. Right now Matt's getting ready to go back out for his next session, and Robby is keeping time for us and then pulling us aside and letting us know what we can improve. And so Matt and I made a bet at the Bristol 1000 on Sunday.
Yep.
What was it?
It's a gentleman's bet that we're racing these SST trucks 2 days, first day and second day. I said if I beat Derek first day, I get to draw whatever I want on the roof of his Crown Vic on second day, and if he beats me, same thing. So winner gets to draw whatever they want on the loser's Crown Vic for the Bristol 1000 race. I'm already sweaty before I even started. I'm like pouring sweat.
It is
Put
hot.
this suit on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. You looked really good out there, so I'm hoping I get some of that confidence and skill on my second go around.
I think you're going to be fine. You picked up on this quick. Now we just got that added hairpin turn over there or whatever.
Yep.
So you going to hit the ramp?
Yeah, you hit it almost every time, right?
Almost every time.
Yeah, I saw you missed it one time, but why'd you miss it? Were you kind of squirrely? Or?
Yeah, the front end, it's the steering is so quick on these.
Yeah.
I got a little squirrely and I didn't want to hit it sideways, so I went around it.
Makes sense. Yeah, I'll hit it just so I get more practice hitting a ramp.
Yeah.
None of this stuff feels, natural to me, so.
Did much better that time. My camera quit on the inside of the car, but practice cutting over there and shifting from first to second, coming out of the corners, picked up quite a bit of speed there. Just thankful to get some seat time in today. And the big news is I will in fact be racing a Stadium Super Truck at Bristol 1000 event Saturday and Sunday. I am really pumped for that. So Matt and I made a bet at the Bristol 1000 on Sunday.
Yep.
What was it?
It's a gentleman's bet that we're racing these SST trucks 2 days, first day and second day. I said if I beat Derek first day, I get to draw whatever I want on the roof of his Crown Vic on second day, and if he beats me, same thing. So winner gets to draw whatever they want on the loser's Crown Vic for the Bristol 1000 race.
It's a risky move, but I took it right away, no hesitation. What? Okay, so Robbie said he was gonna go put the truck away, and I guess that's how he drives. He's still going. So yeah, he's fairly decent at driving those trucks.
I got a sick video of mine.
Jeez. So I'm racing that guy, I guess. Seems fine. Well, that's gonna do it for Stadium Super Trucks here at Robby Gordon Motorsports. Big thank you to him and his crew. They've been so awesome today. They got me fitted into a truck. We're gonna get it wrapped, and like I say, we're gonna give it a go. Goal is to just finish. You know what I mean? Guys' first race. They are a tremendous amount of fun, but I have so much more to learn about these things. Hope you guys can make it out to the Bristol 1000. If not, maybe check out a pay-per-view, split it with 2, 3, 4 buddies. You're only a couple bucks in on that. As always, thank you guys for watching, and listen, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and allowing me to do things like this. It's just, I'm very blessed and very humbled, and I appreciate you guys. We'll see you soon.